All right, guys, 2015 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Got sexy wheels all the way from Knoxville, guys, or Maryville, which is about 3 hours from here. He saw our channel. He's like, I got to bring it down to the boys. So we hooked him up. Let me show you what we did. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Then usually Y's out over here. We cut it out and crossed them over, equalized the length a little bit, and true dualed it with 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Reuse his tailpipes to save some money. Then we did a resonator delete on each side also, and put on some fat 6-inch tips to complete the look. I'm gonna act like I don't see those. Right there and right there. All right, guys, there's the 2 resonators and tailpipes that were on it. There's the midsection right there. 2 outlets, and that's where it was widened into one on this side. I think this looks a lot better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. 6-inch tips, stainless steel by 18s. Stay tuned. Ram Bighorn. True duals. My ears are itching.
Oh yeah.
It's got a really nice idle to it too. Let you guys hear on the inside. True dual 6-inch tips. Back to it's so loud.